Hi, I'm Ben, and I'm really proud to be bringing the brilliant More Than Loft Ladders brand to the Norfolk and North Suffolk area. We want to help you unlock all of the untapped potential in your home. Most people in Norfolk have a loft, but not everybody in Norfolk has a beautifully boarded, well-insulated loft with a light that they can access really easily with a ladder. That's what we're really all about, helping you unlock that potential in your home. We're bringing years of experience from the More Than Loft Ladders national brand. We've installed thousands of loft solutions for customers right across the country, and we're really proud to be bringing these services to the Norfolk and North Suffolk area. I'm really proud to have a brilliant team working with me. I've got my wife Lizzie, who you'll be likely speaking to when you come to book an appointment, and she'll be helping you with after sales as well. I've got a brilliant team of installers. I've got a father and son duo, Mark and Cody. They've got years of experience with home improvements and really will look after your home, do a good quality job. Everything will be nice and clean and tidy.
Hi, my name's Mark.
Hi, my name is Cody.
And we can't wait to transform your loft. I've got over 20 years experience in construction and in engineering, and I'm looking forward to this new challenge that we've now got ahead of transforming all of your lofts in the east of England. I am 43-year-old. I have 4 boys and a little granddaughter. That's why I look so bad.
I'm 19-year-old and I've got a niece.
And a wonderful family that look after you. I love working with my son.
Yeah, speak for yourself.
That's when he does as he's told.
We'd love to hear from you and see how we can help. So check us out. You can find us on social media, on Facebook and Instagram, or give us a call on the 0800 number or the details that are appearing on your screen. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks very much.